My name's Brad Cooper and the business name is Pinjarra Engineering and I'm the Managing Director. I grew up in a small country town not far from Pinjarra, but obviously the mining side of it brought me to Pinjarra. I thought we'd start something down here to support the community. It started 32 years ago from an idea of refurbishing some drain valves that I used to replace when I worked as a fitter, and went from there. Most of our employees have been sort of 20 years, and I'm proud to say they're all local. We're fairly well geographically placed in Pinjarra, with it all happening south now, but it's time to look at diversifying into the oil and gas side of it, which we are just slowly touching on at the moment. The challenges are just the customer is putting pressure on, saying to hold stock, and we have to facilitate that. Sort of either become competitive or they'll look elsewhere. Our business model is to look at obviously continuous growth and sticking to a plan. We made a change 4.5 years ago to go to the Bendigo to work with debtor funding, being able to trade through something and not have that fear of a too large overdraft. I'm a sole trader. I don't think we could have looked at any other tool than that at the time, and through the advice from James at Bendigo, we looked at it and it's definitely working. Businesses grow and they need different opportunities financially. That was an opportunity we had with the debtor funding. The way it's worked for us, some of our items are fairly large price ticket items, paid for up front, dealing offshore. We know as soon as we get the products here, we can sort them out, get them to site, which is great. The mining companies love it delivered quickly, and with the debtor funding, we can basically get our money in within a few days of delivering the goods rather than wait. Been a great tool. With the Bendigo, as opposed to me looking at the other options, the big banks, is just the personalised support that I've had. Our communication levels are high, and it's only a phone call and I get service straight away, and the community side of it. The community is part of everyone's future. I saw what Bendigo was doing around the local schools, and I felt with the opposition that they've got, they stand alone, and I'm just so proud that we can be part. We're all in the same melting pot. Let's all get on with it. I feel we're managing growth, and yeah, I have got no qualms in saying that the partnership with Bendigo and Pinjarra Engineering is as long as life can take us.